The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sunshine Police Department and the Miami Department of Public Safety. A suspect has lost his job and is unstable. At 9:35 a.m. he went to Bank Atlantic Center and has 6 hostages. At this time, he states that he has a nuclear bomb inside the center and will set it off if anyone comes within 800 feet of the building. All citizens who live within 3 miles of the center are asked to evacuate at least 4 miles away from the center in the event that he does have a bomb. At this time, 1 hostage was shot and police are standing by. The suspect is Brett Anderson, a white male about 35 years of age, and is 5 feet 6 inches tall and 132 pounds. Anyone who knows this person is urged to call the Sunshine Police at 239-477-1150. Please stay out of the Bank Atlantic area until it is cleared and safe. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sunshine Police Department and the Miami Department of Public Safety. The hostage situation at Atlantic Bank has progressed. The suspect has shot 4 more hostages and states that there are 2 left. He will kill them within 2 hours if he does not get what he wants. At this time, police have surrounded the area and have snipers around the bank. The issue at this time is the bomb threat. Police are investigating the area looking for the bomb. At this time, police K9 dogs have not found any signs of a bomb, and police are limited to 2 hours to find the bomb and can't risk going into the bank until they find the bomb. All citizens who have not evacuated are asked to take shelter and not be outdoors. Evacuating now endangers yours and other people's lives. Police hope to have control within 45 minutes. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sunshine Police Department and the Miami Department of Public Safety. The bomb was retrieved 2 blocks away from the center. The bomb contained radiation. Police were able to intercept the remote receiver in the suspect's hand and re-signal the receiver away from the weapon, while police disabled the bomb and arrested the suspect. The suspect shot 13 rounds of shotgun bullets at police. Police shot and killed the suspect as there was no way to arrest him safely. At this time, citizens may return to their homes but are asked to stay away from the center until police have finished documenting evidence and have disabled the bomb.